Now you live for real.
What's going on live? Where are we? Instagram? Ready to get this money, y'all.
It is.
It's fucking morning.
Hey, yo, so I'm making Bloody Mary mix from scratch. So. Start this thing up. So, I put my cayenne pepper in first, a little garlic powder. We're gonna do a little crushed red pepper flakes. So, if you ask me what I'm doing, I'm about to make a Bloody Mary mix from scratch.
Wait, so part of this thing.
We got horseradish sauce. We'll put half of this in. A little Worcestershire. Now I'm gonna have to stir this thing, you feel me? Hey man, prepping for the storm, you know, they call it the choir before the storm. And pretty much that's about it. Let me see. Stir it all up. Whip it, whip it. And then we good. Hey yo, that's how you make Bloody Mary mix. Hey, what up, Revamp? Chillin'. Hey, what up, Pimp? Man, I'm teaching how to make Bloody Mary mix today, so you know what I mean.
I know, I usually do.
We good. Y'all gotta come check me out, though. A little salt in that thing. Sprinkle me, baby. Now I gotta clean up my little station. Oh, man. Let me get in the back. I'm in the kitchen. I'm taking y'all in the back. Me. Start putting stuff up. Ooh. Get to it early. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna go get some to swirl this thing. There you have it, folks. Go on.